In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Hotmail group in just 5 minutes. Whether you're organizing a project team, planning an event, or just want an easy way to communicate with multiple people at once, creating a group in Hotmail can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive in and walk through the process together, step by step. First, you need to navigate to the Outlook login page. This is where you'll access your Hotmail account. It's straightforward. Simply type in the URL to get to the login page. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the sign in button. This will prompt you to enter your email address and password. Make sure you've got these handy. After successfully logging in, the next step is to navigate over to your mail. Click on the mail tab within Outlook. This will bring you to your inbox where all your emails are housed. The interface should be familiar if you've used Outlook before, so you'll likely find this transition seamless. Now, what's important for our task is finding the groups section. You'll want to look on the left sidebar where a range of options like inbox, sent, and drafts are listed. Here you'll also find groups. Click on it. This will take you to a dedicated area for all things group related, where you can manage your existing groups or create a new one. Once you are in the groups area, look for a button that says New Group. Clicking on this will prompt a new window or sidebar to slide in, where you're able to enter details for your new group. Think about what you want to name your group, because this is how everyone in the group will identify it. Additionally, adding a description might be useful to outline the group's purpose or any other details you believe are important. After you've penned down the group name and description, often there are more details you might need to add. This can include setting up privacy options. Decide whether you want the group open for public access or restricted invitation-only access according to your need. Once you're satisfied with all these details, the final step is to click on the Create button. This might take a few seconds, but it will finalize your new group and you'll see it listed under your group section. Congratulations, you now have a fully functioning group on Hotmail where you can start adding members and begin your collaborative endeavor. Creating a group in Hotmail is a streamlined process once you get the hang of it. Now you can easily communicate and coordinate with a collection of people, whether it's for work or leisure. Keep experimenting with the various settings and options to personalize your group to best fit your needs. Thanks for watching and happy grouping.